5 things you should know before trusting a supplement. What if you could take one magic pill and suddenly have more energy, better skin, and a healthier heart? Every time you pass the supplement aisle in the drugstore, you see lots of different things like fish oil pills, collagen powder, chewy magnesium, and all kinds of vitamins. They all promise to make you feel better. You should always consult your doctor first about health decisions, and before taking supplements, consider these 5 points. 1. Supplements are not strictly regulated, meaning there's limited oversight and control over their manufacturing, labeling, and safety standards. 2. Not everyone should take them, including multivitamins, as their suitability varies. Individual health factors dictate whether consumption is beneficial or potentially harmful. 3. The body does not break all vitamins down the same way, impacting their absorption, utilization, and effectiveness in promoting health. 4. Excessive intake of supplements or vitamins can lead to adverse effects on health due to overdosing or imbalance. 5. Food is the best way to get nutrients because a balanced diet rich in whole foods is the most effective method to obtain essential nutrients for health.